Coming to 1 to go here. Outside second row. Rolling, 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 rolling. Green, 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 green. Going inside. Inside still. Your door. Rolling even. Still there, even. Clear out, clear down, clear down. Still clear down. By half. By 1. Caution's out. Caution's out. Line up 4th here. Coming to the choose here. You got Colin in front of you, or Jake in front of you, Colin behind you. You're gonna be lining up behind Ron, Colin behind you, Jake to your outside. Come to the green. Rolling, rolling, green, green, green. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Stacking up in front a little bit. 1 outside. Still 1 outside of your door. Even. Clear up, off the corner. We got a spin out back, still green, keep going. Going, go, go. Caution's out, check up. Coming to the choose here. 4th in line. Jake in front of you. Lost 1 spot here. You're gonna be behind Jake. Justin on the front row. Green flag's out. Clear behind Ron if you want it. Inside. Door. Clear behind. Take it low. No pressure out back. Nothing out back. Clear up. Clear up. By 1. Rolling back. Still by half. Clear all around by 2. 3. Still clear by 4. Clear by 6. Clear up. No pressure out back by 7. No pressure, all out front. Straight away. Lap car on the top here. Clear. He's pretty pinned down to the bottom here. Try him up on the high side. I don't see him coming up at all ever. Another lap car on the top here. Just stay to the bottom. Got one spinning to the inside. Staying green. Keep hustling. Clear all around. No pressure. He's leaving you that whole top lane. Outside, clear, 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 clear. By half, running way on the bottom here. Caution's out, caution's out. All right, your second here, watch for this 57. He's been playing games on this choose cone all day. Yep, just like that. All right. You're on the outside, you got Jake behind you, 57 to your inside. Rolling, 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 rolling. Green, green, green. Still there, you see him? You see him? Just you two, no pressure, at your door. Door. You see him? Got the Colin rolling. You're clear all around. Jake, back by half. Caution's out. Lining up third here. Once again, watch this 57. Oh, yeah, that was some big gains there. Good move to the outside. You picked up a spot. Jake behind you on the 56. Justin to your inside. Same replay of the last restart. Just do what you did. Rolling, rolling. Caution's out, caution's out. Wave it off, wave it off. I think we had someone hit the cone again. Colin hit the cone there. We're going to send him a little bit back. Keep those tires clean for me. Cone's back out. You're lining up second this time. Probably going to take the... Oh, no games from that time. All right, you're second. Jake behind you. Justin to your inside. The 69 behind Justin there. Rolling, rolling, rolling. Green to green. Go, go, go. Half. At your door. Clear. Clear, clear, clear. Take it. Take it. On you tight. Half. They're side by side behind you. Justin inside, inside, inside. Still clear. On you tight. Close that entry up a little bit. He's charging in you on the bottom by 1. Clear by 2. Clear by 3. Hit your marks. Clear by 3. Caution's out. Caution's out. Coming to the choose here. You are the leader. Maybe play some games on him here. There. Oh, there you go. Good play there. You are the leader on the top. Justin to your inside. Jake's behind him. And you got Colin behind. Or Ron. That's Ron. Rolling. Green or green. Keep hustling. This might get called back. Yep. They're calling it back. Caution's out. Caution's out. We're going to keep it doubled up here. Just stay to the outside. Maybe anticipate him waiting here now because he got called back on the jump. Go a little early probably. Rolling. 1 to go, 1 to go, 1 to go, 1 to go. Coming to the green here, you got Ron behind you, Justin to your inside. Coming to the green here, green, green. Clear down, clear down, clear down. Clear by 1. Clear by 2 to the 57. Still clear by 2. Clear by 2. By 3. By 4. Still clear by 4. Hit your marks. Clear by 5. Got some lap traffic ahead of you here. Clear up. lap car. He should stay to the high side here. Just keep it on the bottom. Clear. Caution's out. Caution's out. Coming to the choose here, you are the leader. You got Justin behind you, Jake behind him. There you go, good choose there. You've been good on the top. Just do what you've been doing. Rolling, rolling, rolling. Caution's back out. We probably had somebody hit the cone again.
Who was it?
Probably Ron. He's a repeat offender. One to go at the line here. Coming to the green. Go, 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 go. What the? Okay, we're this is definitely getting called back here. We had 3 wide for a second. Not sure what happened there. You are still the leader. Take these spots back. Just pass them on the high side. All right, you're still the leader. Same lineup, just into the inside. Colin behind him. 1 to go with the line here. Watch out for him trying to play some games here. We're late in the race, and he doesn't quite have the pace to keep up. Go, go, go. It's your bumper. Bumper. Clear. Clear all around. By half. By 1. They're side by side behind you. Caution's out. Caution's out. We got to spin. Spin in 4. Coming to the cone here, you are the leader. Let's try the... You've been doing good on the top. Yep, there you go. There you go. Good call there. You got Justin to your inside again. I'd say just go early again. He roll. Coming to the green. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Still there at your door. At your door. He took a swipe at you. You're clear. 5 laps to go here, bud. Clear all around. By 1. They're side by side behind you. Racing really hard. Just keep it all at the windshield here. By 5. They're still... Caution's out. Caution's out. Play some games here. Getting that 57's head. He's not bright on these restarts here. He's been sleeping on every restart, so just keep doing what you're doing. You'll definitely get him. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Go early on him there. You're clear already. There you go. By 1. They're still side by side behind you. He fell back into the grips of Colin. 3 laps to go here. Hit your marks. No pressure. No pressure. 2 to go at the line. Clear by 4. Coming to the white flag here. Give me 1 more. Don't worry about this lap car. You got plenty of gap here. Just if you get to him, just stay behind him. Coming to the checkered. Nice work. You are the winner.
Finally got one.
Yes, you did.